Now this Camaro is beautiful right next to the Z. Also built here in SMS. All right, gonna go chill, have some coffee. Mustangs, Mercs, Corvettes, Hondas, you name it. Gran Torino, black on black on black. Drag cars, Camaros, Cadillacs, BMWs, and Snowcat in the background outside. Literally like the biggest moth I've ever seen in my life. All right, let's do it. Cold start. Oh God, this is gonna be loud. Yep. That's loud. So now that I maneuvered out, I'm gonna leave the Alfa Romeo and the Ram and take out the Hellcat today. And I also have this check engine light because I accidentally hit the rev limiter, and that's on, but it had to turn the car on and off. It resets, and after a while that thing will go away. Technology. I mean, why do you even need that? Oh, I guess to save the transmission. Anyways, we're heading out to SMS Design and Performance today. Gonna check out what's going on with the Z, and you're gonna slow down but then drive away. Thanks, man. Thank you.
Hello?
Yo, I'm leaving now.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Alright, dude, see you in a bit.
All right, see you there. I got your present.
I'm looking forward to it because I still don't know what it is, and your present's always A, cost me money, and B, f my life up. So.
I've been driving the Ram so often, I'm kind of used to having a place to put my phone, but right now it's just gonna, yeah, probably fall over. Yep, it's gone. Man, 2 small pulls so you can be anywhere in Bahrain in under 5 minutes with this thing. All right, we're here at SMS. Gonna go say hello to the guys, see what's up, what they're working on, and check out the 350Z. What do we got here?
Hi, Mr. Osama. How do you do?
Hello. How are you doing?
Good.
How are you? How are you guys doing? Oh, nice. I saw you doing this on Instagram.
3D printed these.
And you got this in? That you did as well?
Yeah, I machined this. We got these brackets as well.
Oh, nice.
3D printed.
So nothing is going to be loose. Everything is going to be in its place.
Here we'll have these 2 fans inside.
Are they going to light up or not? You want to put the LED strip inside?
Man, you're so obsessed with it. And I'll show you what's the plan for this.
All right.
On the other side, we'll have this. Okay, like
Oh, that's cool.
you know, the cooling fan shroud or exhaust fan shroud. It's not gonna have these, so you'll have to ignore these. So I'll machine this, and you'll have 2 fans sitting behind it, and on top of it, on these 3 bolts, you'll have the ECU get sandwiched in between.
Okay.
And on this side, on the cover outside, we'll drill it the same pattern as you see in here.
Ah, so basically in the cover you're gonna drill
Yeah.
that. Okay.
And now the idea is we'll powder coat the whole thing, then we'll machine the holes and the switches, so you'll have it black, then you'll have, you know, the aluminum lining outside.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like it's all silver from the outside.
Cool.
Don't show me, man. Show my work. I don't want to be famous. Just
A little bit of you, come on.
on, man.
Your hair is nicely done
I'm too
today.
ugly, man, to be on a video. I'm thinking of changing the design of bush stop button. Might be round. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
You know, it'd be cool
What?
to do like a Z.
Yeah, we can like the whole thing in Z.
Yeah.
But that car is not Z no more.
That's the most unfortunate thing about these cars, that it's only the guys who are interested in checking them out.
So yeah, if there's any checks, please feel welcome. He's married. So.
Should I put your number here?
Swipe up. Now I'm still missing some connectors for the engine, on the engine side. Like I don't want you to have all new harness with shitty connectors like these. You know, these are the old connectors. So you know, I want to buy all these new connectors, plus some end melts so we can machine some stuff.
And also like stuff that's durable, you know, because of the amount of heat and like the dust and all that.
The switches, yeah.
Because it's no longer under a hood, you know.
The switches you got me from eBay, they're chintzy as.
Well, you bought them, not me.
You wanted cheap shit.
No, I didn't say I wanted cheap shit.
We got 20 of these.
No, you got 20 of them.
Yeah,
you
like
guys
that.
ordered,
No,
not me. You stop putting this on me.
Not me. It's you being cheap. We try ordering the badass switches, and one switch cost 20 of these.
Okay.
So if we wanted to buy 20 badass switches, it's gonna be $500.
How hard is it to change the switches after you put them in?
It's easy. They won't see so much load, but you know, for the ignition, for the important stuff, I'm gonna have some of my good switches in there. Pure
So you
power
are a
switches.
nice guy.
I'm not. I'm not. You just think so. I'm not.
Yo!
Hey.
How's it going?
Good. Not
Missed
too
you,
bad.
man.
Yeah, man.
I've seen
Speak
that.
German now?
Yeah, well, no, I've been hopefully. I got you a present. There you go.
Nice.
I got you something that you actually like instead of the Subaru t-shirt you never wear.
Thank you.
No worries, man.
I appreciate it. We started working on your car.
Yeah.
The wiring, I mean, we have almost everything we need, so we're just wiring it up now. We're trying to budget this the best we can. We want this thing to be as manageable as possible.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Because I saw it for a brief second, but I haven't been up to it yet.
Take the wires through. So these are just to wire all the lights and everything.
Okay.
And then we're doing the same thing here. We brought all the wires here. These are all going to go to the box.
And also the wires are going up to the lights.
The battery holder
Okay.
is on.
Oh, nice.
So
Keeping the center of gravity low. Now we need to get more weight in the back. When are we gonna weigh it?
we can wait today if you want.
Yes.
Yeah, but I mean, there is balance-wise, it's going to be exactly the same because we put the radiator in the back, we put the battery in the back. All of that used to be in the front.
Mm-hmm.
So it should weigh balance-wise the same as before. A lot less weight, but the front to back ratio is going to be possibly or very close to what it was before.
Man, I miss this car. Miss seeing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so other stuff that we got on are the disc brakes. Got new ones in the front, I mean in the back here, and also in the front. Pretty cool. Brand new, because the other ones were like shot.
Yeah.
They're completely gone.
So we're doing the brake lines. All the original brake lines are being put on.
Okay.
Uh,
Well, we got the, we also got the better brake lines.
yes, but those are the original that go under the car, the hard lines.
Yeah.
Everything braided is going to be new.
Cool, man. So now that we started wiring, basically is the last step, because the car, as you see, is ready. Everything's put together. Got the water pump. Got this whole radiator painted. So yeah, the rear bumper is off.
The connecting rods to hold the...
Oh yeah, the connecting rods to hold the rear bumper. No, the exhaust. Why is the muffler off? Are you guys doing anything to it?
Because we took the tank off to run all the hoses and everything.
Oh, okay. Cool, man. Looks sick. Can't wait. Look what the cat dragged in. What's up,
Oh,
man?
Hero 7, nice.
Yeah. Here's your present. I'm sorry I'm handing it you like, ah.
Yes, I know what it is. It is my favorite car of all time.
Is it?
Yeah. Land Rover 350z.
You see his?
No, what did he get? Honda?
No, it was actually nice to
A
him.
real man's car.
A real man's car, right? You mean the ones that always end up in the shop or in a wall? Half of your Mustangs
Your
are
Land
here.
Rover.
I'm gonna stop this now.
What exhaust system do you want?
The American Racing Headers axle back for the Ram 2019. Ram Rebel.
Hey, so why not headers, exhaust, expansion?
So the thing is because like what I'd want to do is just delete the cats and just be loud, but this is just supporting mods if I want to get the headers in the future and tune it.
The cats
Why?
without a tune.
No, that's what I mean. So if I want to tune it,
Yeah.
Of
yeah.
course you can.
No.
Why can't you?
Why?
Through a check engine light.
I did. Block the sensor.
No, man, no. Don't run like crap, man.
Casper the mechanic. Yes. Apparently they have like a 10% discount now. So I'm hoping for 25.
25%, no way.
We'll bring you guys donuts. That fixes it.
Oh yeah, all right.
I'll tell you what.
Done deal. Donuts,
I'll
donuts
give you a
tomorrow.
good deal. I'll install it for free.
You'll install it for free.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So that's Clemson's like, no. Yeah, free.
You know what? Thank you.
I concur, that's your car. I'm not making any.
So why are you arguing just for the sake of arguing? So that's a quick upload for you guys. We got Majid making some parts for the Z, some brackets here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Ordered the exhaust for the Ram and ordered some drill bits for Majid to make some custom pieces for the Z. Gonna have one last look at it. The guys are here. All right, cool. Mr. Blood, Mr. Sweat. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this small episode, little update. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep.
Yup. Take care.